Sometimes one platform isn't enough. Start by assembling your single platforms and bolting them together using the included 4 bolts. 2 on the corner brackets, 2 in the middle. To fill the gap between the platforms, you'll need to insert 4 washers when you push the bolt through from one side to the other. Don't worry about these extra holes. You don't need to put bolts through them. Then, position the platform directly under where you want to lift it. Your MyLifters will need to be positioned exactly over the center and outside edge of each platform. The platforms are 36 inches wide. Your MyLifters will need to be positioned 36 inches apart, which means your SmartTrack will also need to be 36 inches apart. To raise 2 connected platforms requires 4 pieces of SmartTrack, 4 MyLifter motors, and 4 power adapters. Use the red connector and included Allen key to make your 4 individual pieces of SmartTrack into 2 longer sections of SmartTrack. See our stud finding video here to help you find your studs. And before installing any SmartTrack, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your SmartTrack and the product you will mount to it. Due to the position of the studs, you may need to adjust the position of your platform slightly. Use the included drill bit to pre-drill your holes, and make sure to use 2 lag bolts per SmartTrack. When you position your carabiners on the SmartTrack, you will need to be in the very next hole over from the MyLifter, on the same side as where the cable comes out, and by the end of the MyLifter with the DC input. We recommend using the track covers and cable clips to make your install look its best. Pair your MyLifters to your MyLifter app by pressing the pair button on each lifter. Once paired, you can lower the cables. One by one, extend the cable through the pulleys and connect the cable to the carabiner. Create a group by tapping Create Group. Select Locked Group. Tap the name of each lifter, give the group a name, level the pulleys individually if needed, then lower them into position. Attach the cables from the platform corner brackets to the pulleys. Make sure that the cables are going straight up and down from the pulleys to the MyLifters. Using the app, lift your platform a little and make sure that the platform is level. If necessary, tap Help, then tap Level Group, and you can adjust the length of each lifter. That's it. Your 2 connected platform lifters are ready for action. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.